Okay, girl loving food on Chincoteague. I'm hungry. Guess where I'm having lunch? Having a meltdown. I'll turn it around so you can see it. I haven't had one of Jen's sandwiches in a very long time, and I am missing them. So I need to taste them, and I'm hoping she has one of my favorites. So let's go up and see what she's got today. So my dirty car, the pollen on Chincoteague is awful. So if you've never had her fresh squeezed lemonade, it is a must try. So there's her menu. So feel free to pause and read it if you want, and check out the prices. She's got really good waffle fries. The loaded waffle fries are phenomenal. The Krabby Mac is very, very good. The garlic mac and cheese is amazing also. The fat Philly, I've had that, the best Reuben, right there. And yeah, so let's see what they have here. I don't know what their specials are today. I meant to look on their Facebook page. So that Pinch Me I'm Dreaming sounds really good too, doesn't it? Mother Clucker. Bacon, tomato, and cheddar. Alright, let's see what I'm having. Hold on. Okay, so I went with the Hot to Trot. That's one of my favorite sandwiches here besides the Reuben. The Hot to Trot is a special. It has a hot jam on it that just it highlights the chicken, the cheese, everything. So that's what I'm getting, and an order of waffle fries, just plain waffle fries. Yeah, so I'll go back to my house, or do I eat it here? I might eat it here, that way you guys can see. I think I will. All right, we'll see what happens. Okay, so just a little bit about here. So they are located on Chicken City Road, right behind, well, not right behind the Brant, but so you turn at the intersection, turn at the intersection at Chicken City and Maddox, or Church and Chicken City, and she's right across the street from the little cottages, what is it, Uncle Joe's Cabins, and right at the beginning of Vacation Park. And she does have outdoor seating. She's got a couple of picnic tables in the sun, and then she's got this cool little sunshade over here. So you know she's a food truck right now, currently, as of April 24th, 5th, whatever today's date is, it's Thursday. She is open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. She will add more hours the closer it gets. So yeah, you need to stop by. She's got some of the best sandwiches on the island as far as like takeout and just creative, just tasty, creative. She just blows my mind with her menu. You can read some of the things that she comes up with. The Codfather is another really big seller here. The Pilgrim is another one of her specials that she has. They don't have the specials every day, but because they're not part of the daily menu. But yeah, they had enough jam for me for today for me to get the Hot to Trot. Because I was just craving that sandwich. So I'll probably eat half now, and then I'll take the other half to work, because her sandwiches are huge. And yeah, so we will do a taste test. I got my little handy dandy holder here to hold the phone so I can eat my sandwich here. Okay, I'm going to unveil my sandwich right in front of you. Better come hungry or bring a friend, because her food is not small, like I said earlier. So it's got cream cheese, it's got that jam, and it's got the chicken breast on the grilled bread, and there's cheese down in there, because that's what she's about. She's all about the cheese. So, and then the waffle fries are going to be really good. So let's see. How can I do this in front of you guys? If I make a mess, I apologize. Don't hold it against me. So the waffle fries, I didn't even ask for these extra crispy, because I always ask for fries extra crispy. But these are perfect the way that they're done. Great crunch. I'm all about the crunches on a fry. I like a well done extra crispy French fry all the time. Fries are amazing. Jen, get Chick-fil-A sauce for your fries though. They sell it at Sam's Club now. And I know you shop there because I've seen you. Anyway, Really, really good. I love her fries. This is why I normally don't eat on TV or YouTube channels. So I am going to attempt to eat this without making a mess. So now you can see the inside of this sandwich. It is amazing. This is my favorite sandwich. I love the Reuben, but this with that hot pepper jam, it is amazing. It really is. So I'm going to get my first bite. You're going to get to see it. I'm sorry. Oh my God. The cream cheese and that hot pepper jam, great combination of flavor. And the fact, and I don't know if you can see it on here, they do the jam on the one side and the cream cheese on the other. So as you're biting into it, it just like melts together. It is so good. They don't have any more today. Yeah, but she'll get some more. She just has to get more jam. It is phenomenal. I love this sandwich. I love the Reuben. I like a lot of her food. Actually, I like all of her food, let's be honest. So she's located on Church Street. I'm going to eat this sandwich and enjoy it. And I'll do my wrap up after I'm done. I'm not eating this whole thing. There's no way. I'll be lucky if I can eat a quarter of this. It's huge. So I'll be back in a little bit. All right, now to go home.